This quick guide shows how to buy shares of Vossloh AG, ticker VOS.de, traded on Xetra. Vossloh develops railway infrastructure technology, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search and enter the ticker VOS.de to find Vossloh AG. Select the matching Xetra listing to make sure it's the correct stock. Open the Vossloh AG asset page to review company details and the price chart. Confirm the name, ticker VOS.de, and the Xetra exchange to ensure you have the right security. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to spend or the number of shares. Then carefully review the order details and fees before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed when trading resumes, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing the trade. Once executed, your Vossloh AG position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the link to the example eToro page is in the description below.